Hey there, medical fans. There are a lot of different ways to take care of skin blemishes, some better than others. And today we're going to give you 5 great reasons to use an extractor when taking care of blemishes. And while we do that, you can watch some interesting clips. Here we go, number 5. Using an extractor helps you avoid breaking the skin. Breaking the skin can lead to scarring and secondary infection, especially when dirty fingernails are involved. Number 4. Extractors are used by the professionals. It takes skill, practice, and knowledge to get really good at popping, but there's no reason you can't get started at home. Number 3. It's more sanitary. Bacteria such as staph and MRSA can live on the surface of your skin, and using sterile instruments like these helps to avoid spreading it around, and can even help prevent the spread of bacteria that cause acne. Quick question, do you think gloves are beneficial? Comment below. Number 2. Precision and variety. There are a lot of different sizes and types of blemishes, and there's also a variety of tools. For example, if you need to puncture the skin, you can use a lancet such as this one. Often, tools will be bundled in kits. And the number 1 reason is that extractors allow you to reach more difficult places, such as behind the ear or in the crease of the nose. And you could even have friends or loved ones help you out. Do you personally use popping tools? Comment below. So there you go, 5 good reasons to use an extractor. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.